Good morning students, how are you? Hopefully you are fine. In previous lecture हमने डिस्कस किया था डिफेक्ट्स क्या होता है. ठीक है, आज हम पढ़ने जा रहे हैं टाइप्स ऑफ पॉइंट डिफेक्ट. द पॉइंट डिफेक्ट क्लासिफाइड इनटू 3 कैटेगरी. वन इज स्टेशियोमेट्रिक, सेकंड इज नॉन स्टेशियोमेट्रिक एंड थर्ड वन इज इम्प्योरिटी डिफेक्ट. इन स्टेशियोमेट्रिक डिफेक्ट में क्या होता है? After defect, the ratio of cation and anion is always 1:1, means same. ठीक है, स्टोचियोमेट्रिक डिफेक्ट नॉन आयनिक कंपाउंड के अंदर भी होता है और आयनिक कंपाउंड में भी होता है. नॉन आयनिक कंपाउंड में दो टाइप का है. वन इज कॉल्ड वैकेंसी डिफेक्ट एंड सेकंड इज कॉल्ड इंटरस्टिशियल डिफेक्ट. In vacancy defect, the equal number of opposite particle absent at their original position. So, by this defect, the density of the compound is decreases. In interstitial defect, the extra particle present in interstitial site, so the density of the compound by this defect is increases. In ionic compound, the stoichiometric defect are again classified into two category. One is called Schottky defect and second is called Frankel defect. In Schottky defect, the equal number of cation and anion absent at their original position. So, by this defect, the density of the compound is also decreases. This type of defect occurs in high coordination number compound and a small size difference between cation and anion. For example, NaCl, KCl, etc. In Frankel defect, the cation or anion, but usually cation, absent at their original position and present in interstitial site. So, by this defect, the density of the compound is not changed. This type of defect occurs in low coordination compound and large size difference between cation and anion. For example, AgCl, ZnS, AgBr, etc. Second is non-stoichiometric defect. In this type of defect, the cation and anion ratio is not maintained, means not 1:1 equal. कभी भी नहीं होता है. ठीक है, this type of defect again classified into two types. One is called metal excess and second is called metal deficient. In metal excess defect, this type of defect created by two possibility. First by anion vacancy and second is by presence of extra cation in interstitial site. By anion vacancy, the anion absent at their original position and this position occupied by electron which is maintain the electrical neutrality as well as the responsible of the color of the compound. ठीक है, this position is called absenter or far center. For example, yellow color of NaCl due to presence of absenter. In second, presence of extra cation in interstitial site. In this type of defect, the extra cation present in interstitial site and extra electron is also occupied in interstitial site. Second is metal deficiency defect. In this type of defect, shown by only those element or compound which have variable valency, like transition metal. In this type of defect, the cation absent at their original position, the electrical neutrality is maintained by extra loose electron by other cation. ठीक है, and last one is impurity defect. Impurity defect in ionic compound. इसमें क्या होता है कि कोई दूसरा आयनिक कंपाउंड अगर आप किसी मिक्स कर दें, लाइक NaCl, तो NaCl में जैसे SrCl2 हमने मिक्स कर दिया तो Sr+2 क्या करता है कि Na पोजीशन जो है कुछ जगह से हटाकर खुद ऑक्यूपाइड कर लेता है. फॉर द मेंटेनेंस ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिकल न्यूट्रलिटी फॉर एवरी Sr+2 द वन कैटाइन इज वैकेंसी इज क्रिएटेड. So this defect is produces by the impurity of SrCl2. So this is called impurity defect in ionic compound. Thank you very much. I am Yogesh Jain, chemistry teacher in Mount Litra G School.